Hello everyone. This video is about data analysis for describing quantitative data. Here is an example about student final exam score. So we have 20 students exam score. We will use data analysis. So click data and choose data analysis. So you need to add in the data analysis first. Double-click Data Analysis. This is the Analysis Tools window. First, we will do Descriptive Statistics. Choose this one and click OK. First, we need to input the data. So the input range, select your data. Here, I start from the title. And because I select the title, so I need to click the neighbors in first row. If you do not select the title, you do not need to click this one. Next, output. So click this one, output range, and click here. You can put your output anywhere, space for empty space. So you can put here, here, or here. Let's put here. And then click Summary Statistics and click OK. So you will have the descriptive statistics such as mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, and skewness, range, minimum, maximal, and summation, and count. Here in the data analysis output, we don't have Q1 and Q3, the first quantile and the third quantile, so we can add ourselves. So let's add Q1. And for the Q1 and Q3, we will use equation. So we use equal. That will be a function. And equal quantile, Quartile. And you use your mouse to select the data. Remember, this time only data, no title. So this is the data. And common 1. That will be Q1. And enter. You will have the Q1. And let's do Q3. Q3, similar. Use function. So type equal. Quartile. And use the mouse to select the data. Only numbers, no title. And common 3. And close it. And enter. You will have the Q3 result. Now, let's see all the z-scores to find out whether we have outliers or not. And remember, the z-score formula is individual minus mean and divided by the standard deviation. Mean is here and standard deviation is here. So we will do step by step, and we will use function again, equal. Close first, and use the mouse to select the individual number. Minus mean. Mean is 81.05. Please type it and close it. Divided by the standard deviation. From the output, the standard deviation is 12.517. So please type yourself 12.517 and click OK. So this is the z-score for the student of 88 score. And then we can pull down to have all the z-scores. So you can see here is a plus sign, and select it, pull down to the bottom. So all the z-score, it will show to you. Now you can see here, this student, 47, it is an outlier because the z-score absolute value is bigger than 2. And also, is there anyone? Oh, this is the only one outlier in this data set. Now, let's do something more. Whether the percentage fall within 1 standard deviation, within 2 standard deviation, and within 3 standard deviation satisfies the empirical rule or not. Again, let's do within 1 standard deviation first. So remember, 1 standard deviation, that will be mean plus and minus 1 times the standard deviation. So let's see the range. We'll use the function equal mean here minus 1 times the standard deviation and enter. So this is the lower bound. And also upper bound equal mean, click here, and plus 1 times the standard deviation here equals. So this is the range of within 1 standard deviation, and we want to see the data, how many data fall within this range. You can sort the data. So you can use data, and here you can sort the data from largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Either way works. So let's sort the data, and you can expand the selections, sort it. So here is the smallest to the largest, and see how many in this range. So starting from more than 68.5, so we're starting from here until 93.567 until here. So this is the range. And now you can see here, count 15. So the percentage fall within 1 standard deviation, that will be 15 divided by 20 equals to 75%, more than 68%. So it satisfies the empirical rule. We can also do within 2 standard deviation. Similarly, you need to calculate the range first. So equals mean minus 2 times standard deviation equals, this is the lower bound. Upper bound equals mean plus 2 times standard deviation. Enter. So this is the upper bound. Again, count how many data in this range. So it will be starting from this number until to the end. You will see here, count number 19. So the percentage fall within 2 standard deviation equals to 19 divided by 20 equals 95%. So it satisfies the empirical rule. Let's check within 3 standard deviation. Similarly, the range equals mean minus 3 times standard deviation and equals mean plus 3 times standard deviation. And you will see all the data fall within this range. So 100% is the percentage bigger than 99.7%. So it satisfies the empirical rule. That's all for this video.